Morning everyone. My name is M. Vijayalakshmi, CRT Maths, KGB Mahabubnagar Rural, Mahabubnagar District. My chapter name Exponents and Powers. Revise the previous class. To express the large numbers in form which can be read and written compared easily, we use the exponential form. What is the exponential form? When a number is multiplied by several times, it can be written in short form. Is called exponential form. First, exponential form, let us the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We can multiplication, representation, repeated addition. That equal 3. How many times addition? Repeated addition 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times repeated addition. So that equal 4 times. 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Next again 4. How many times repeated addition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times repeated addition. So that equal 5 into 4. 5 into 4. So we use multiplication to show the repetition of repeated addition by written 4 into 3, 5 into 4. Next we can express the repeated multiplication of number by itself in simple way. For example, the distance between sun and earth. How much distance? 15 crores kilometers. Yes, the distance between sun and earth 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore kilometers is expressed as exponential form, that equal 15 into 10 power 7. 10 power 7. That equal 10 power 7 exponential form. 10 is the base. 10 is the base and 7 is exponent. 7 is the exponent. 7 is the exponent. So we for 10 is the base. 10 is the base. And other than bases any number. For example 81. 81 is the simplified by prime factorization method. Simply 81. 3 27s. 3 9s. 3 3s. So that equal 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That equal repeated multiplication. These are repeated multiplication. How many times repeated multiplication? 3. How many times? 4 times. So that equal 3 power 4. 3 power 4. That equal 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 81. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Is as the equal of 3 power 4, that equal 81. 3 power 4, that equal 81. Next, so thus we can say that, for example 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that equal 2 into 2 into 2, that equal 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So that equal to how many times repeated multiplication of 2? 4 times. So 2 power 4. 2 power 4. 16 is as the 16 is same equal 2 power 4. 2 power 4. So we can say that A into A into A into A into dash 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 A into A into dash 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 M times. So that equal A into A dash 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 M times, that equal A power M. Where which is the base? Which is the base? A. Which is the exponent? S. M. Next, when we multiply terms with exponents, we use some rules of find the product of easily. These rules have been discussed here. Laws of exponents. First law, multiplying with the same bases. For example, 2 square into 2 cube. 2 square into 2 cube. That equal 2 square equal 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Next again 2 cube, that equal 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. So therefore 2 square into 2 cube equal to 2 square into 2 cube equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. And so that equal to, which is the answer? Same basis. 2 is the same basis. 2 square into 2 cube equal 2 power 4 as 2 plus 3 equal 5. Exponents 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 2 square into 2 cube equal 2 power 5. And next, A power M into A power N. Same bases and other exponents. Here A power M, that equal, here A power M equals A into dash dash dash. How many times there are? M times. Next again A power N. So how many times multiply? N times. How many times? N times. A into dash 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 N times. So therefore A power M into A power N. A power M into A power N equal to A into A dash dash M times A power M equal to A into M times plus A into therefore A power M into A power N equal to A power A into dash dash M times plus A into dash dash N times. Is the same basis. A same basis. So add them exponents. That equal A power M into A power N equal to A power, how many times total? M times plus these are N times. So that equal M times M plus N times N. How many times? 1, 2, 3 dash 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 M times. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 N times. So totally M times and total N times. M plus N. So these are, children, 2 square equal 2 into 2. 2 cube equal 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore, 2 square into 2 cube is the same base as 2 and exponents 2 plus 3 equal 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exponent 5. Next, same as a power m into a power n equal to a power m times plus n times. So, law of first rule, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Multiplying with the same bases that equal, multiplying the same bases equal, add them exponent, add them exponent. Next, law of second rule, law of second rule. For example, 2 cube whole power 4. 2 cube whole power 4. Like that. Which is the base? 2 cube. This is the base 2 cube. Exponent 4. 2 power cube power 4. Base is 2 cube. Exponent. Here exponent 4. Exponent 4. So 2 cube how many times repeated? 4 times. 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. So which is the rule? 2 cube into 2 cube. Which one? Same bases. Multiplying with the same bases. So that equal which one? Add them exponents. Add them exponents. So 2 is the base. Add them exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Rule of first law. Multiplying with the same bases. Multiplying with the same bases. Multiplying with the same base. That equal to power 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, 6. 6, 3, 9. 9, 3, 12. 12. So therefore 2 cube whole power 4 equal 2 power 12 as 3 into 4 equal to 12. 3 into 4 equal to 12. So like them 3 into 4 exponents. Next, for example, another example. Another example. 4 cube 4 square whole cube. 4 square whole cube. Here 4 square whole cube is the base. 4 square is the base. 4 square is the base. Which one is the exponent? 3. Yes. 3 is the exponent. 3 is the exponent. Okay, write down. Four square whole cube that equal 4 square repeated multiplication. How many times there? 3 times. It's like 4 square into 4 square into 4 square. Next, same bases, add them exponents. Same bases, add them exponents is the law of first rule. Multiplying with the same bases. So that equal 4 power 2 plus 2 plus 2. That equal 4 power 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So therefore 4 square whole cube equal 4 power 6 as 4 power 6 as 2 into 3 equal to 6. 4 power 6, 2 into 3 equal to 6. So So base all observe the, for example, a into a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is the base. Which one is the base? Is the base equal to a power m. Exponent equal to how much? Is the exponent equal to n. Exponent equal n. A power m whole power n, like a power m, how many times multiplication? N times. So a power m into a power m into a power m into dash 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 n times. N times. Multiplications with the same bases, add them exponents. A power m plus dash 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 n times. A power m plus how many times? N times. m into n. So therefore a power m whole power n equal to, so prove that a power m into n, a power m whole power n, that equal to a power m into n. So the rule of second law, a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n.